Hello students, the question is how can you charge a metal sphere? So we are having a metal sphere like this. This is a metal sphere. Metal sphere positively we have to make this positive. This is a metal sphere and we have to make this metal sphere positively charged without touching. The meaning of without touching here is induction. By the method of induction, that means there is no contact. Without touching or without any contact, how we can make this metal sphere positively charged? Okay, so first we'll take a metal sphere on an insulated stand. This is insulated stand. This insulated stand is very important because if we will not use insulated stand here, what will happen? We know that metal can leak charges. The charges from this metal sphere can leak to the earth. So the separation between metal sphere and the earth is here insulated stand. Insulators, they do not allow the charges easily to flow through them. So the charges will be contained in this metal sphere. Okay, so what we'll do, this is the first step. Second step, what we'll do, we'll bring a rod. Which type of charge the rod should have? The rod should have negative charges. It's negatively charged rod. Okay, so what will happen? We know that all the metals are neutral. Okay, metals are neutral, but when we are bringing a negatively charged rod near the metal sphere, near, will not touch it. Okay, this is the method of induction, will not touch it. So just bring the charged rod close to the metal sphere. So what will happen? Metal is neutral. That means it is having equal number of positive and negative charges. Okay, from the polarity of charges we know that if we'll bring a negative charge rod here, all the positive charges will accumulate to the left of the metal sphere and all the negative charges will accumulate towards the right of the metal sphere. Okay, now after this what we'll do, this is the method of induction. Now what we'll do, we need only positive charges on the sphere, we do not require any negative charge. So what we'll do, we will do or will ground or will do earthing. This is the grounding. Okay, so in this method what will happen, we know that earth is the reservoir of charges. Okay, all these negative charges can be grounded to earth. After this you remove the glass or remove the negatively charged rod from here. Remove it. After removing, what we'll see, this metal sphere is having only positive charge to one side, and after some time these positive charges will redistribute themselves equally along the surface of the charge sphere. Okay, they'll redistribute equally. So now the metal sphere is positively charged. See student, don't be confused. Here I am given 3 positive charges. Here I have given 5 positive charges. Actually I have not counted the total number of positive charges. This metal sphere or any metal which is neutral, it is having n number of charges, positive or negative. So I can use 3, 4, 5, any number of charges I can use here. And when I am showing the metal sphere is neutral, I have to put equal number of negative and positive charges. This is the thing. So in this way we can charge a metal sphere positively without touching it. This is the method of induction.